Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RWLK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And I'll be honest, the last I looked at the chart, it was looking something similar to there. So I was thinking, all right, well, I'm going to get ready to change this red line to green because when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and it's acting as support. And then all of a sudden, the final 30 minutes happened, and I don't know if there was some news or if it was just an end-of-week sell-off, but you can see right here down at the volume bar, big old volume came surging in, and the price actually dropped back below that line. So therefore, this area right here at 25.5 cents, it still needs to be considered an area of resistance. So definitely a buzzkill. Now, I'm not saying that it destroys the entire chart or anything like that. I'm more so making these comments from the perspective of, all day long, essentially the price was hanging up above that, line, and then the final 30 minutes occurred and, the price flushed down below it. So again, 25.5 cents still going to be that near-term level of resistance. Now that we have some more data, though, I will throw up the next overall level of resistance, which seems to be right up around the 27.5 cent mark. So 25.5, nothing new there, but if that level can be broken, then the next key level to watch would be up there at the 27.5 cent mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here compared to Thursday when I did the video. Still have it right here at that 23 cent mark. So with Friday now in the books, and the markets actually closed on Monday as a friendly reminder for Martin Luther King Day. So Tuesday, I suppose, when the markets open back up, the key level to watch from a support standpoint definitely going to be 23 cents. In the event, the price comes down to 23 cents and breaks below there, that's where the chart really begins to experience some problems. Because if you stop and think about it, if the price were to do that, I'm not saying it will, but it goes down and breaks below 23 cents, at that point, that would literally be putting the price right back to that range where it was before the nice move happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power don't go back to where they were, right? They're going to make some sort of progress forward, and that's what that 23 cent represents, an opportunity at progress. So we'll see how this one plays out on Tuesday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.